Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I have brought for you this hand fan and brand is Reflex and model number is N15. And here is the key features: LED display, real time power, release your hand, 5th gear speed and long battery. Let's unbox this. So I have got this fan and charger and fan stand. Like this will fix the fan stand. Here you can see. And here is on off button. Blue golden is color and build quality is good. Looks stylish. And here is a type C port. This is on off button. First speed, second, third, fourth, fifth. And it will shows battery percentage. Here you can see 50 is battery percentage. And the runtime is 4 to 5 hours on medium speed in 100 charging. And you can fold like this. And this is very useful product if you are going to anywhere in summer vacation. You have to buy this product. So I will back in next video. So like, share, subscribe. Bye.